Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then select the contact that you would like to block, click on Info, then tap on the More icon right here and then tap on Block Contact. And if you would like to block this number, just click on Block. And this is it. As you can see here, we've got this sign that it's blocked, and from now on Rita will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any calls or messages from this number. Then whenever you would like to remove this number, this contact from your blacklist, all you have to do is to open it one more time. So let me click on Info, tap on More icon and select Unblock Contact to remove it from your blacklist. And as you can see, this icon disappeared, and that means that from now on Rita will be able to send you a message or call you. And this is it. That will be all. That's how you can smoothly and easily block a number in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.